John Connor had a successful career as a solo lawyer, chief of liquor control in the Attorney General's office, and then a common pleas court judge.
All during that time, I was still pretty heavy drinker. I got my work done, but I was drinking more than a normal, so you wouldn't call me a social drinker.
Despite several drunken driving arrests over a span of 2 decades, a public reprimand by the state's disciplinary board, and a DUI conviction while he was serving on the bench, Connor says he didn't recognize he had a problem until he was pulled over for drunk driving in 2002.
But I had my bright lights on, and they were shining in a police officer's face. And I knew I had a conviction before, and I had gotten some publicity in '99, when I was convicted. And I just thought the world had ended, that my career had ended.
That low point brought more publicity and discipline from the Ohio Supreme Court. Connor was able to keep his law license and continue to serve on the bench as long as he complied with terms of a contract with the Ohio Lawyers Assistance Program, or OLAP.
The primary purpose of the Lawyers Assistance Program is to protect the public from impaired legal professionals.
Executive Director Scott Moat says chemical dependency is a big problem in the legal profession.
10% of the American non-lawyer public has a problem with alcohol, and drug use among lawyers is 20%. And once we've been practicing law, been in the profession 25 years, the number statistically jumps to 25%.
OLAP's confidential help for lawyers, judges, and law students recovering from chemical dependency and mental health issues includes education and awareness, intervention services, and monitoring support. That support is what Connor says helped to hold him accountable while he was struggling to maintain sobriety. Connor's been sober since December 2002, and his sobriety led to the high point in his career when he served as a visiting judge on the Ohio Supreme Court while an appeals court judge.
So here I am, the guy in 2003 that was going to be disbarred because I was a drunk, and then in 2010 I get to sit on the Supreme Court by assignment. My life has been so unbelievably great in the last 12 years that I would be stupid to take a drink and throw it away.